Parang sumisigaw na yung puso ko na ito yung gusto mo. You want to impart a lot of life lessons, a lot of wisdom, but you can't do that.
Welcome to another episode of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, June Acevedo. I'm a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach and a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer. And in this podcast, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life-changing journey that started with a drive for excellence and being the best in what she does. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we're exploring today. Now allow me to introduce our guest for this evening. Coach Giselle, or Coach G, is a mental health coach dedicated to helping women reconnect with their well-being by guiding them through mindset shifts and self-care strategies. With a background in psychology and over a decade of teaching experience, she empowers individuals to overcome mental and emotional blocks, build resilience, and take charge of their personal growth. Through her coaching, she creates a supportive space for women to rediscover their strength, confidence, and inner peace. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Coach Giselle.
Currently, di ba, ang dami kong hinahandle na women and I take charge of their mental health and I get feedback na talagang yung ginagawa ko helps them with their mental state. So, yun. Sobrang rewarding actually na I took this chance to pursue NLP.
So again, Coach, thank you for saying yes. I honor you, Coach G. And then I've seen ang dami mo nang nagagawa dyan sa Bicol, no? Were you invited pa sa other places na ngayon?
Mostly yung sa namin is virtual. Pero this coming March, may national workshop ako for students.
Coach Giselle, good evening. Thank you for saying yes to this session. Coach Giselle, take us back to the moment when everything changed in your life. What was, kumbaga, yung breaking point or wall that you were facing before you discovered NLP?
Siguro wala akong clarity at that time. I was burned out. I know what I want, pero di ako makaalis. Like, ang daming limiting beliefs. Yun yung parang, talaga ba? Ipapush ko pa tong work ko? Or do I want to stay the same? I feel so stuck na paulit-ulit na lang. I have the same narrative in my head. Ako na yung napagod mismo sa sarili ko. So, yun yung talagang sabi ko, ayoko na. Pagod na ako.
What made you realize, Coach, no, that something had to change nung time na yun?
Kasi I know for, di ba, may mga quotes na ganyan, na if you feel stuck, na parang may ginagawa ka naman, pero why is it that you're not moving forward? Parang inisip ko, ginawa ko naman na lahat. And everything is, ay kasi ganito, ganyan, bias sila. Everything is external na biniblame ko sa iyo. Sabi ko, wait lang. Parang, something is not really falling into proper place. Parang, ginagawa ko naman pala, I thought ginawa ko na lahat. But why am I still in the same situation? Why am I still being like this? Bakit ganito pa rin yung tumatakbo sa isip ko? Why do I always second guess myself? Bakit ganon? So, yung time talaga na I know I'm capable of so much more, pero why am I sabotaging myself by staying the same? So, yun, Coach.
How did you first hear about NLP and what made you take the leap, no? Habang yung discovery session natin. And what made you just decide, Coach?
I actually was trying to remember kung kailan ko ba siya encounter na term. Pero I'm sure it was around pandemic na everything was online. Tapos, nag-search lang ako sa internet. Tapos sabi ko, ay grabe, ang mahal pala nitong program. Kasi may nakita akong isang brochure. Sabi ko, ay grabe. Tapos, I actually got a call from the, I'm not sure if Middle East. Kasi yun yung na-search ko. Sabi ko, kinonvert ko into ano. So, syempre, negative thinking pa ako. Ay, ang mahal-mahal. So, tinurn down ko yung call. Tapos, when I finally got serious, sabi ko, sige, try ko na to. Because I'm really stuck. And when I searched, sabi ko, ay, ang dami niya palang kayang gawin. So, if it worked for others, sabi ko, I want this to work for me too. And not really primarily intended for myself. Kasi nga, I'm in the psychology field. And I know I can use that. Tapos, di ba ang Facebook may algorithm, na kapag nag-search ka, kahit isang beses lang yan, puro na ganun yung lalabas. Tapos, that's the time when your profile showed up. Tapos sabi ko, ay, stock na ako. Uy, ganito palang kayang gawin ng NLP. So, yun na yan. The rest is history.
Wow, amazing. So, Coach, was there a specific NLP tool or technique that immediately shifted your perspective? Kumbaga nung class natin and when you learned it, when you were applying it, parang, huy, nagbe-breakthrough ka na, Coach.
Siguro yung reframe. Yun talaga yung parang kahit nakapikit ako, parang kaya ko siyang ituro sa ibang tao. Kasi, at that time kasi na in-start na natin, sabi ko, "Oh, ito lang palang technique. Parang, it's one thing I struggled with my counseling, na bakit ang hirap ipaganito sa mga tao, or even in myself. Parang, there's always those narratives na mga limiting beliefs. Tapos, pag ni-reframe mo, parang instant shift. Sabi ko, ay, oo nga, no. Kasi even the biological, di ba, in-explain mo yan, the neurological effect, may instant shift din siya. So, reframe, it's a matter of shifting your emotional state, but not really invalidating. So, parang, yun talaga yung pinaka bias ko, kumbaga, sa lahat ng tools, yung reframing.
Alam mo, majority sa mga na-interview ko dito, Coach, reframe talaga. Kasi sobrang practical ng reframe eh.
Diba?
Parang you can use it in every situation, right? Let's say, for your relationship. Me and with my wife, we always use that eh. Nare-reframe namin bigla yung sarili namin. Yeah, there is still conflict. Kumbaga, kung nagtatampuhan pa rin. Pero parang ano lang, minutes lang. No? Minutes lang.
Mm-mm.
Hindi yung dati na parang, ganyan.
Oo.
No? Kasi we could already process eh. Even for myself, Coach, the struggles is still there. No? Pagka when
Mm.
you take NLP, after that, akala mo parang magiging okay na lahat. But still,
True.
you will be tested. No, we will be tested. And the advantage
Always.
this is meron tayong tools to process it, no? So we still feel all those negative emotions, fear, limiting decisions, but with the reframe tools, no, ano yung or the meta models, even the meta models, no, ano yung matututunan ko dito? And as an educator for you kasi coach, you also can apply the reframes to the
Yes.
students, no? So have you applied it in your teaching?
All the time. All the time. Kasi 'di ba, I teach college tapos ang daming yung dynamics ng Gen Z na something about the mental health, ayaw nilang nahihirapan, pero they need something because they have to learn the behavior sa ano, kasi it's their training. So what I always do is ini-insertan ko yan ng mga reframing, not really to invalidate what they are going through, but rather for them to see the other side
Yeah.
of the coin. Parang sa spectrum ng emotions nyo, ano yung other side nun? 'Di ba? Parang it's always making them realize na really sarili nila yung kalaban nila with their thoughts, with their feelings, and it works all the time kapag ginagamitan ng reframing yung mga students.
Alam mo, that's also, yung mga educators kasi coach, I'm really, kumbaga, drawn, no, sa inyo. Kasi I know that when you get equipped, mas marami kayong matutulungan eh. Ilang batch every year, right? And
Yes.
amazing, before you were just teaching high school and ngayon college na
Yes.
yung tinuturuan mo. And iba na yung smile mo ngayon, coach. Blooming na talaga na. So, I agree with Reframe. Even si Miss Neri, no? A housewife. Even as a housewife, nagagamit niya yung tool. Aside from Reframe, what else do you use right now in your day-to-day that has, kumbaga, been beneficial for you, coach?
Siguro anchoring. Na parang, kasi nga 'di ba, di naman nawawala yung ano, we have the, or we always have the, ability to feel, to even the negative emotions, we all feel that. Kahit pa pinaka-expert na siguro sa NLP, andun pa rin yung experience. But when I do anchoring, tapos sinasabayan ko ng mga affirmations, it works. Kasi parang, sige, I'm giving enough time for myself to feel this, but at the same time, I don't want to stay in this. So I am anchoring something na I want to feel more.
Yeah.
I want to believe more about myself kasi it will propel me forward. So yun yung anchoring and reframing. Sila talaga yung parang kambal sila for me.
Diba, iba if you understand already the process.
Yes.
Uy, I need to do anchors. And I agree with you, Coach, that even if ganun ka nakagaling, let's say for my level, master trainer, we still feel all those emotions. No? We still feel a lot of challenges. Kasi, kumbaga, we constantly evolve. No? The more that we become uncomfortable, kasi Coach, the more that we evolve, right? Change is equivalent to, kumbaga, growth pala. Growth is equivalent to discomfort. No? Kung hindi tayo if we're comfortable, hindi tayo nag-change. We're not growing.
Yes.
So, a reframe na rin for us, no? A big reframe. So, Coach, can you describe the moment when you felt the breakthrough? Ano ba yung feeling nun?
Liberating. Talagang, at that time, sabi ko, sure na ako, magre-resign na talaga ako. Because I no longer see myself in that job. Yes, I love teaching, pero this is no longer aligned to what I really want. And parang alam niyo yun, parang sumisigaw na yung puso ko na ito yung gusto mo. You want to impart a lot of life lessons, a lot of wisdom, but you can't do that. So, after mismo nung kailan ba yun? August ba yun, Coach? O kasi August yung TLT, no? Sure na ako na I want to resign. Pero hinintay ko pa. Kasi sayang nung 13th month. Hinintay ko pa. And I was also looking for jobs kung saan ba mag-fit. Pero, yun nga, I already know that I wanted to leave because I already know what I want. What kind of place, who I want to be with, what kind of environment I want to be in. And it was very liberating. Parang nakalaya ako sa kulungan na finally, I got the courage. Yun lang naman pala yung parang kinukulong ko, the courage to try something not so common. Na parang may judgment ng iba. But I still went on with my decision.
Courage, no? Courage. And amazing is that since you discovered the courage right now, you have the courage to do a lot of things.
Yes,
You become an action
exactly.
taker. Ilang years nga ako doon, bigla akong na ganito. Tapos ito yung result. What more if I keep on taking action, di ba, Coach? So, I think that's the difference between our community and us na NLP practitioners, no? Kasi,
Yes.
kumbaga, we become action takers lang eh. Okay, if we fail, then push forward. And we know naman kasi na hindi tayo nag-iisa in our community na
True.
whatever challenges we face, parang we still have the community to back us up, no? You still have each other, you can just message each other, Coach, kamusta ka na dyan? Can you help us, can you help me, no, move forward? Now, Coach, after experiencing your own transformation, ano ba yung mga pagbabago na napansin mo, no, nakita mo sa personal life mo or sa professional life mo, Coach?
Ang dami. Parang hindi na ako nawawalan ng talk, ng invitations. Tapos in terms of finances, parang yes, wala akong work that time for a few months. Like I'm doing part-time. Pero parang I did not feel the scarcity. Na parang it's really a state in you na parang sige, I don't think I'm poor. Ang iniisip ko noon basta parang I'm just happy with my decisions. And then for some reason, parang sunod-sunod yung mga talks and I can already demand for the amount that I know I will be happily compensated. And I didn't settle for less anymore. Kasi parang I was used to people lowballing me. Kasi parang feeling ko, ay, maliit lang ako or ganito lang ako. I'm at this level. Pero nung talagang nag-breakthrough na parang, I'm so much more. And I know I'm capable of so much more. So I finally demanded for the amount that I know I deserve. And for some reason then, paulit-ulit akong ini-invite. Tapos, sila pa yung nag-a-adjust with my schedule. Lalo kapag may sudden changes. And it's not just on a local level, pero regional level, mga regional offices. Sabi ko, ay, sino ba nag-refer sa akin sa inyo? I don't know. Parang di ko na alam. Parang I realized na when you work so hard for a skill and you do that, you deliver that with passion, parang mas lumalawak yung influence mo. And minsan di ko na alam, may mag-hi na lang sa akin, ay, di ko kilala, so mag-smile na lang din ako. Yun pala, naging guest sa isang talk ko, or attendee. Tapos may mga mag-message sa akin na ang dami daw nilang na-realize with just that 1 hour talk. And especially with the work that I do with women also, talagang nakita ko yung shift with their mindset na it's really, kahit anong gawin mo, it's the mental state, the emotional state. Parang mas madami akong natulungan. Aside from me also having this transformation. Parang, di ba, whatever is inside you, internally, yun yung lalabas sa external mo. So, ang ganda ko, ang dami ko, actually, parang overdue na ata yung mga kwento ko dati. Kasi, I don't know, siguro it's magic, it's just so, parang there's no words to explain kung paano talaga nagbago, kasi it's actually yung hindi ka napapagod with the work that you do. Na yes, physically siguro andun yung pagod kasi syempre tao lang din naman. Pero yung feeling of peace, calmness, and really clear direction. Ano yung gusto mo? Parang yun yung major talagang, siguro kung yun yung theme ng ano yung mga nangyari, yun.
More on clarity, no? Clarity,
Yeah.
empowerment talaga. And it also aligns with what you're doing with women empowerment, coach. With what you're doing right now, you're empowering them, and you're making them realize yung the best description of ano yung na-feel natin, coach. Parang nagising tayo. No?
Yes.
Parang all the while, parang tulog tayo nun eh. No? We were just, kumbaga, reacting to our thoughts happening to us. But when we woke up, we realized that we're more pala. That's also one thing that I realized din kasi. Ito yung sinabi din ni Coach Joe, parang when we get to release it, parang nakahinga tayo. No? Yung liberating, parang,
Yes.
my God. And people kasi nafe-feel nila yan, no? Yung freedom that you're experiencing right now. And 'di ba sa anchoring, alam natin yan. We can, yung state natin, yung energy natin, na papasa natin sa mga tao.
Yes.
And I could feel it, no? Even for you, coach. Alam mo, this is why I love this. Kasi ako mismo, parang nako-coach din ako. Diba, ano ba yung dinidevelop natin before? Puro skill set. Yun yung sinabi ko,
Yes.
skills, no? Ang galing mo sa skills. Pero NLP is the mindset, right? It changes your mindset. Tapos timeline therapy and hypnotherapy, heart set naman siya.
Yes.
No? Kasi nare-release natin yung galit natin, yung limiting beliefs, so nalilinis lahat, no? Coach, how has your transformation inspired or impacted the people around you, your family, your partner, or your students, no? And the staff mismo?
Yung way that I was awakened, yun nga, yung nagising, also made them parang, ay, oo nga, no. Parang, it has really to start with me. Na parang, before, sinasabi ko sa kanila, parang, uy, magbago kayo, ganito, ganyan. Parang, tapos hindi wala na magbago sa akin. So, parang, paano ako paniniwalaan? But when I did the changes in me, na I became even more kind to myself, I became even more respectful to myself. The way I treated myself, they saw the changes in how I also deal with them. Na, di ba, wala, na-release na lahat ng galit eh. Parang, wala na. Yung punot dulo, na-release na siya. So, anything na negative emotion, ang bilis ko na siya napaprocess, and I also was able to teach that how to process, regulate the emotions of others. Especially, sa family. Ang dami ding nagbago. mas open na, mas maganda na yung dynamics. Parang no longer operating on that wounded child, wounded self. Everyone is on a same level na of mindset, of thinking. Na parang, nagkapantay-pantay na tayo finally. Sabay-sabay na.
In sync.
Also, ayan, with my students also, I was able to relay something much more deeper than just the lesson itself. Na it actually helped a lot, especially some students are also diagnosed with mental health conditions, and yung iba naman talagang they just feel so lost with their program, and I was able to help them. Parang wala naman akong ginagawa actually. I'm just teaching kung ano lang sinasabi ko, yung tipong mga ano lang, part of the discussion, pero laging merong mga pang-reframe na the way they see themselves also. Tapos biglang, ang mga feedback na nila, you changed my life, ma'am. Parang, wait lang, ano bang sinabi ko? Parang, everything is just natural. Parang, actually, sometimes even in my talk, kasi sobrang nasa utak ko na lahat eh. And yung slides, wala rin laman halos. So parang minsan one word lang or pictures, and everything is just spoken, not really from the mind, but it just comes out naturally. So parang the way it came out of me was also parang yung frequency niya, parang nag-spread siya na nafe-feel nila yung intention was really to help. So yun yung, and feeling ko mas madami na nagmamahal sa akin ngayon with the work that I do. Parang mas marami na akong connection, quality people in my life. I meet quality people na. So, yun yung one of the, siguro, ganda lang. Di ko alam kung, siguro, when you cleared really the negativities in your life, you operate on the same frequency as others who are also into that intention of helping others. So parang ganun yung ano niya.
Alam mo, I agree with that, Coach. No? Kaya we attract each other, no? We
Yes.
attract each other. Kaya it's also, yun nga, when you get cleared of the things that are blocking you, parang you also find people that will support you and nakakaintindi sa'yo. No? Yung parang we talk the same language as
Yes.
empowerment, changing other people's lives, and gain more naman.
Yes.
Coach, if you could go back and give advice to the version of yourself na yung nagsa-struggle na si Coach G, no, or si Giselle, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanya, Coach?
Siguro sasabihin ko sa kanya na just keep moving forward and believe that you can. Because yes, you can. It's always just one step. Kasi lagi siyang lagi siyang umaatras, lagi siyang natatakot. So, there's only one way to find out. It is by trying.
Everyone, if you're watching right now or listening here, there are the three things that the biggest takeaway, no? When you get to release everything, it's a form of liberation. No, and we need to have tools to help us kumbaga change our life, like reframe and anchoring. And when we, kumbaga, release the things that are pulling us down, we attract the right people and we emit the right energy or right frequency when we, kumbaga, decide to become better, no? The challenges will still be there, but still, alam natin that it's only part of the process, no? We need to go through that cleansing, kumbaga, cleansing to reach the next level in your life. Coach, if you could summarize your journey in one sentence, what would it be, Coach?
It is what it is.
Ngayon, Coach, ano ba yung parang one powerful belief or mantra you now live by thanks to their transformation and NLP?
Siguro if there's one, siguro yung affirmation na lang na I am enough. That's, parang that, yung concept na yun yung nag-hold back sa akin before. That's why I play small. That's why I allowed people to treat me small. But when I learned and realized na I am enough na ako eh, then I realized that I am so much more. I mean, when you know that, when I learned that, alam kong enough na ako, so there's nothing to prove to anyone but to myself, and I already validate myself. That's when everything really amplified.
Everything amplified, no? Ang galing, ang galing. Now, Coach, I know that maraming makakapanood nito and also a lot of people would listen and watch this, no? Now, for anyone who feels stuck right now, Coach, what's your message to them?
Feel your emotions
Hmm.
and go deeper and find out your blockage
Hmm.
so that you can clear those blockages. Because once you're able to clear the blockage, you'll be unstoppable.
If you clear the blockages. And we know that those blockages, minsan, hindi lang natin ma-forgive eh. Yung sarili natin, you know, the
Yes.
baggages that we have. Kasi the challenge there, coach, is wala ring tao nang gagayad sa karamihan.
Mm-mm.
No, that's why tayo din, iilan lang kasi tayo who wants to create positive change in other people's lives eh.
Yes.
That's why it's best to be equipped with the right tools and techniques. Especially, example, sa'yo, nagsasalita ka lang, nagbabago na yung buhay nila, no? And you're not even doing it intentionally, but unconsciously, naka-imprint na yan, no? Because of your intentions of creating change.
Yes.
So everything that's, kumbaga, lumalabas. And iba rin kasi, yun yung sabi ko before, coach, na skill set is, kumbaga, one factor lang. Now you have the skills already, you want to create change, but the challenge is, hindi pa tayo, kumbaga, cleared, no? Clear. That's why hindi pa nila nafe-feel yung intention natin to really create change. Kasi tayo din, broken din tayo as a person. So, when you finally, kumbaga ikaw mismo, you get to experience, no, being free from yourself,
Yes.
it's a different feeling when you say it kasi with conviction na. And they could feel, oh, amazing kung nagbago si Coach Giselle. Especially, a lot of people know you before, right? And then they could compare, oh, ito si Coach Giselle, tapos ngayon, this is who you are right now, no? And that's why I tell people na before we ask people to change, dapat tayo mismo, we need to,
True, true.
ipakita muna natin sa kanila na kaya nating magbago. Di ba kaya parang hypocrite naman na, magbago ka
Mm-mm.
tapos tayo parang tayo muna, di ba? Tayo muna, coach. And amazing. So, coach, how can people reach out to you if they want to connect with you, coach? And do you have any upcoming programs online or face-to-face that you want to share with everyone?
Ayun. So, I am actually connected with the Happy Hormones. So, we help women with hormonal imbalances. So, we have programs, and I am the mental health coach actually. Usually, kapag nagsistruggle na with motivation yung clients, nagbubuk na ng call sa akin because inaayos ko na. I help them clarify, or I help them gain the clarity that they need just so they can focus with what the program, because it's a fitness and personal development, and also it's for women. And since it's going to be the Women's Month already, we have planned activities. And currently we have challenges, 30-day challenges. So we have a Facebook page, The Happy Hormones PH, and we also have a group, The Happy Hormones PH. So join lang kayo. We are holding a safe space for all women, regardless of age. So yun, coach.
No, yeah, happy hormones. Let's talk about that, no? Para at least we could dig deeper. Can you tell us about happy hormones? Ano ba yung what exactly is happy hormones? Kumbaga, what exactly do you do or the team that holds happy hormones, coach?
So yung Happy Hormones was a project. Parang wala lang, nag-usap-usap lang yung mga founder na, uy, let's help women.
Mm.
Because they realize that the fitness industry does not really cater much to women, especially those who are trying to conceive for years, may mga PCOS, may other hormonal imbalances. So, 'di ba, with the help of NLP, talagang you realize na ay there's so much emotions pala kasi attached to these illnesses. So, the work I do with them is more on the emotional and mental part, and I help them with the may group sessions kami for group mental health call na talagang nag-iiyak. Yun lang pala yung kailangan gawin. Iiyak nyo yan para mailabas nyo. And then, we already have many pregnant mamas who are struggling with trying to conceive for years. Tapos, nawala na din yung PCOS. and other hormonal imbalances, regular na yung period, okay na yung mga blood results kasi 'di ba yung there's so much problem with the blood works
Yeah.
kapag may hormonal imbalances. So, we are seeing a huge percentage of women who are going back to their essence
Yeah.
as a feminine, not the hustle hard kind of empowered women, but rather the women who are nurturing at their core. Na parang go back to being to their soft self.
Yeah.
Na parang, yun na kasi change na yung ano kaya parang marami din silang blockages. And yun yung goal talaga ng the happy hormones or the THH. We want to help women go back to their feminine essence so that they can claim their power back as a woman.
Amazing. Alam mo, I'm just so happy that I asked you that question. No? Kasi, di ba, imagine you're helping a lot of women, kumbaga, conceive. And then, some of them, hindi lang sila makakonceive because of the mental blockage and emotional blockage,
Yes.
right? Yung parang may fear sila, meron silang
Yeah.
limiting belief, and then nagmamanifest eh. One thing that I learned is that the negative emotions and the limiting beliefs that we have, it manifests in our body. No, it
Yes.
manifests in PCOS so that we can justify. No, hindi ako maka-conceive kasi may PCOS ako or all those imbalance. But in reality, there's something deeper connected to that. Eh. Pag naayos lang natin, magbabago din yung takbo ng katawan natin, right? Kasi malay natin parang PCOS lang pala but very insecure or very, kumbaga, natatakot siya. But
Mm-mm.
when they release it na it's okay for me pala no to be empowered. Then
Yes.
slowly nag-heal. Initially, syempre mga weeks naman, you know that, right? The healing
Mm-mm.
process, healing crisis, no? The healing
Ah.
crisis. Initially, parang nakakasakit sila or minsan
Mm-mm.
maglalala yung feeling nila, bibigat. But in reality, it's just the toxin, no? And also the negative emotions being released in their body, coach. Ay, ang galing, ang galing. This is one thing kasi na has been in my mind din eh. Pero hindi ka kasi linya yan eh. And it's a good thing that you're
Mm-mm.
also doing it, no? Kasi sabi ko, NLP is very complementary to fitness coaching. Kasi minsan, hindi effective yung fitness coaching because walang mental and emotional coach.
Yes.
'Di ba? Parang puro ka lang babalik ka naman sa behavior mo,
Babalik lang talaga sa dati.
magre-relapse ka lang. But magle-level up pa yung the happy hormones. Kasi you will be also helping them with their values already. No, you will realize and they will realize na yung mga values pala nila when they were growing up and even right now in the context of health, in the context of relationship, yun din yung nagsasabotage sa kanila. That's why I'm so excited for you kasi you're creating positive change. Imagine the impact that you will help them. No, when you do your group sessions, your kumbaga emotional release sessions, so mas level up pa sila. No? Ang galing, ang galing, ang daming nabubuntis na. No? So, it's so amazing, coach. So everyone here, reach out, especially sa mga, pwede bang online yung program nyo, coach?
Online siya, coach.
Yung, even
Online siya.
the fitness part?
Yes, yes. May fitness coach, may nutritionist, may hormone specialist, kompleto. Everything for women.
Maganda rin, coach, when you utilize hypnosis kasi you can
Yes.
plant the deeper level, no, the unconscious mind. Amazing, happy hormones. I'm so excited for you, coach. Gano'n na ba katagal yung happy hormones, coach?
Kaka 1 year niya lang, coach, since the founding niya last year.
I honor you, Coach Giselle, no, for kumbaga taking action. Kumbaga a lot of people appreciate you more, no? Kasi yun nga, sometimes the environment plays a factor din. No, the environment plays a factor. And sometimes the environment that we are in, hindi ka pa appreciated. Pero we just have to find a different environment na nagta-thrive ka. If you're not thriving in that environment, change the environment, no? I'm just so proud of you, Coach Giselle, because
Thank you,
you're
coach.
creating positive change. Once again, let me introduce myself. I'm June Acevedo. I'm a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach and a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer. I've helped thousands gain clarity in their life and transform the lives of more than 100 individuals through our neurolinguistic programming certification program and help them become transformative leaders in their life by equipping them with powerful tools that they can use to overcome all their emotional and mental struggles and have a laser focus on achieving the life that they want. Allow me to help you break through your mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high-performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, hypnotherapy, and timeline therapy. If you're ready to level up, let's schedule a quick one-on-one clarity session. Feel free to message and reach out to me anytime.